Kia ora, and welcome to Heapy's Tips and Tricks. In today's episode, we'll examine how Hāpara Student Dashboard helps build learners' executive functioning skills to take ownership of their digital learning. When learners practice these skills, it empowers them to stay organized and manage assignments independently. Task chunking is an instructional strategy used to make large or overwhelming projects or assignments and break it down into more manageable tasks that learners can complete in chunks. For example, a teacher might assign a research paper and break it into more manageable tasks that learners can complete in chunks. For a research paper, you might first ask learners to formulate a research question. Then you may have them take notes on primary sources and other resources. And then you might ask learners to turn in a thesis statement. Next, an outline, and then a rough draft, until after many stages of turning in smaller chunks of their paper and getting vital feedback along the way, they in turn can make a final draft. For learners who struggle with executive functioning skills, and for that matter, all learners who are simply still learning these skills, task chunking can be a vital instructional strategy. By posting several smaller assignments with lots of low-stakes due dates in Workspace or Google Classroom, you can present learners with tasks piece by piece. So instead of seeing one large project that feels too big to take on, learners can feel empowered and capable of persevering to complete a large assignment. Thanks for watching.